Hey guys, today I'm going to do a little walkthrough of my travel jewelry case. So I'm just gonna dive right in. I'm gonna show you guys how I kind of like to fill my jewelry box up and kind of show you things that you can do with it. This is the case and it has different compartments for bracelets, earrings, necklaces and rings. And then if you pull this tab down, it reveals little hooks for necklaces. So I'm gonna pop this back up really quick. These section dividers are in permanent, so you can actually pop out one of these and put them exactly where you want it. This is how the case looks like. The different compartments for earrings and bracelets. You've got your ring slots and there's a tab for earrings. Let me just pop this in really quick.
Hi guys, how are you? This is my mama's jewelry box. I hope you guys like it. Bye.
If you pull this tab down, it reveals little hooks for necklaces. What I do is, I just hook it on the little hook up and pull open the little pouch and place the rest of necklace inside. And they sit very flat. And now the tab pops in perfectly and I'm gonna close the case and button it right up. You can actually pop these section dividers and you could fix them exactly where you want as per your requirement. I bought this in dusty pink color and it's really cute and a leather finish. And these cases you can carry it while traveling, not for traveling, also you can carry it in your handbag, having your accessories ready at any time. I hope you guys enjoyed this little walkthrough and overview of my travel jewelry case, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.